Hello, welcome. Are you struggling with SQL Insert queries from your Flask application? It can be frustrating when data doesn't save as expected. Today, we'll troubleshoot common reasons why your Flask SQL Insert query might not be working. We will cover common errors and how to fix them. First, let's check the database connection. Is your Flask app properly connected to the database? Ensure the correct database URL is configured. The URL usually looks like this: PostgreSQL //username password at host /database_name. Double check the username, password, host, port, and database name in your Flask configuration. An incorrect URL will prevent successful database operations. Then, verify that your database server is running. A stopped server prevents any connections. You can usually check this via your database management tool. Secondly, examine your SQL query. Simple syntax errors can break the whole thing. Look for typos in your table name and column names. Ensure you are using the correct number of placeholders. Mismatched placeholders and values throw errors. Consider using a proper ORM like SQL Alchemy to make this easier. It will handle much of the raw SQL for you. Third, let's talk about data types. Does the data you're trying to insert match the column data type in your database? If your database expects an integer but you are trying to insert a string, the insertion will fail. Cast your Python variables to the appropriate types before inserting. Use int, float, or str for conversion. Fourth, check your Flask code for transaction management. Are you committing the changes after the insert? If you don't commit, the data won't be saved to the database permanently. Include db.session.commit after your insert statement. Don't forget to handle potential errors with a try, except block. Roll back the transaction with db.session.rollback in case of an error to prevent data corruption. Fifth, look at potential security vulnerabilities. Avoid directly embedding user input into SQL queries. This creates a SQL injection vulnerability. Always use parameterized queries or ORM features to sanitize user input. Flask SQL Alchemy automatically handles parameterization. This prevents malicious users from injecting harmful code. Sixth, ensure your database table exists. It may seem obvious, but double-check that you've actually created the table in your database. An attempt to insert into a non-existent table throws an error. Use your database client to verify the table's existence and schema. Then, confirm that your table has the columns you're trying to insert into. If not, alter the table to add the missing column. Finally, remember to check your Flask logs. Logs often contain valuable error messages. These messages pinpoint the exact cause of the failure. Look for error messages related to database connection or SQL syntax. Debugging is an iterative process. Carefully inspect your code, database configuration, and error messages. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this. Consider joining our community for more in-depth tutorials and discussions. We appreciate your feedback and would love to hear about any other issues you're facing. Stay tuned for our next video.